Alright, the start of day 4. We're off to Jindabyne Weir and have a look at where the Snowy River actually starts. Heading south, obviously, all the way down to Marlow, where we started our trip on day 1. Then we're heading from there to, we don't really know. We'll see where we wind up, but we'll give you an update throughout the day. Hopefully the scenery is good. It's a little bit overcast today, so fingers crossed that the footage comes out okay at Jindabyne Weir. Look forward to speaking to you throughout the day. Bye. Just heading out of camp. I'm going to go over the old Dalgety Bridge. As you saw from yesterday, it was established 1888. Beautiful old bridge crossing the Snowy River. Heading today to Jindabyne and hopefully the start of the Snowy River from Lake Jindabyne. I think the trip today will be pretty epic and I think there's going to be some good scenery, so stay tuned. Just heading into Jindabyne. As we head over the crest here, you can actually see Lake Jindabyne as we head down the hill, aiming to go to the dam wall and to the start of the Snowy River. We made it, the Snowy River on the left hand side as we drive over to the dam wall in Jindabyne. Hey guys, sorry about the traffic noise that might be in the background. We actually finally made it to Lake Jindabyne and the start of the Snowy River. Been a pretty special journey actually, the last couple of days following the Snowy River all the way up from Marlow, all the way through to Jindabyne. Hopefully you've enjoyed the footage. End of the day, hopefully we plan on being, I don't know, somewhere. Stay tuned and find out. Alright guys, we finally made it. Lake Jindabyne right behind us. Unfortunately we couldn't get the final cut at the actual dam wall itself because Victoria is different to New South Wales. Victoria you can walk around all the dams and no problem at all. New South Wales for some reason you can't. So we've filmed it here with the backdrop. Brings us to the end of the Snowy River, which is obviously the trip that we've done from Marlow to Jindabyne.
Mr. Jamie?
Yeah?
Sorry man.
Yep.
We've got a little bit further to go.
Do we? Why?
Because it finishes on the top of a really big hill.
No, it finishes there.
No, it finishes on the top of that really big hill.
Finishes on...
You know Mount Kosciuszko?
It doesn't go uphill.
Yeah,
so you're saying it comes downhill?
It comes downhill from Mount Kosciuszko.
Right.
It's like, you know, it's nearly right at the highest point in the country.
I see. So where have we got to go?
Well, we're going to go up here, we're going to go up through Charlotte's Pass.
Yeah.
And then do a bit of walking.
Then do some walking?
Yeah, you know, like 14 k's.
We're not like fit guys. 40, all right, wow.
K's.
Looks like the plan for the day's changed a little bit. So we're going to where? Charlotte's Pass.
Charlotte's Pass, as far as you can go with a car, I believe. Unless the map's wrong, as it could be that. It's not me, it's the map.
Charlotte's Pass, it looks like it's going to be, guys. Hopefully we show you the other start of the Snowy River, not this start of the Snowy River. All right.
The real start.
We'll catch you up there somewhere.
Yeah.
Heading up Kosciuszko Road, what a spectacular place. Scenery is absolutely spectacular. Heading up to Charlotte's Pass and hopefully finding the top end of the Snowy River. Fingers crossed it's as pretty as we anticipate, but judging by the road on the way up, it's going to be spectacular. Alright guys, we made it. We're here, the top end of the Snowy River. Behind us, Mount Kosciuszko. Obviously the river flow, or the water flows down. Kosciuszko starts here. There's another river that branches in just down the track here. Awesome, awesome spot. I highly recommend it if it's on your bucket list. Tastes fresh. It's very fresh. Is it gone? There you go, buddy. Well, we made it to the bottom or the top end of the Snowy, whichever way you want to look at it. Now we're walking down the boardwalk and we're heading to Charlotte's Pass. Look out. Hopefully the view is spectacular.
Hi, Ken here from High Country TV. We've made it to the start of the Snowy River. It's over my right hand shoulder. We're not quite at the top of Kosciuszko or anything. We're just up from Charlotte's Pass at the Blue Lake Lookout, which is I believe over my left, over that way. And well, we've made it. We've got to it. So hope you're enjoying it. That brings us to the end of our Snowy River adventure, and thanks very much for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, get us out here as much as you can. That'd be great, and hopefully we'll see you out here one day too.